Guys, we're here at Paddle Laundry Lounge and it's been a while since nag-shoot ako ng cosplay. We know that the LOL KDA K-pop group is such a big thing. There's so many cosplay groups shooting and so many cosplayers doing a KDA. So ako makikibandwagon lang. And I know one of the scenes in the music video ng KDA is that Ahri is in a laundromat. So, sinuwerte that, you know, venues like Paddle Laundry Lounge is so nice to lend as a place to shoot in. It just happens na kailangan morning siya dahil wala pa tao para, you know, we can really shoot here without bothering so many people. But the owner is so cool. We have the place to shoot for an awesome concept. Paddle is a 24-hour laundromat. So anytime dumating ka, whether lasing ka man, may hangover ka, o kakain mo lang na almusal, you can go here and have your laundry done. But it so happens that laundromat closed for a few hours prior because there was also a shoot, a TV shoot with a network. So this place is starting to become popular among video and photo clips. Yung setup, yung eksena ko, maganda. Tapos si character natin, Yuki. Diyan. Dalawang sports light, isang regular head na may halik. Dito, tatlo sila. So kailangan ko na ilaw somewhere here. Tabi dito. Tapos wala na akong malalagay na figure light. Kung makalagay ang ilaw sa labas, open call lang. Papasok. Gawin mo. We're so lucky that we actually have cosplayers from the States who came over for our vacation and yet may dala sila costume. So that's Yuki and Stella. And of course, my local favorites of cosplayers here. So si Dinny will also join us. Unfortunately, I only have 3 out of 4 of the KDA characters, but who gives a okay, and it's better than nothing. So we have Stella cosplaying as Ahri, then Yuki and Evelynn, and then Dinny will be Akali. So wala lang kaming Kaisa. So anyway, kung may akong mag-Kaisa, we'll try. Pasingit sa post-production, very good luck. Kasi location cosplay shoots are very difficult to compose. So here, it's really the challenge of lighting the place up properly and being able to pull off the scene with as minor composites as possible. Okay? Ayun. So, for here, I'm going to be shooting a backplate to show most of the background. And then I'll be shooting the characters na magkakasama or even perhaps one at a time. Kasi that's the best way to be able to compose it properly. Unlike shooting cosplay in a studio, malinis lang yung background or malinis yung ilaw sa kanila, you can always drop them out rather easily. Here, it's a little bit challenging because you have a lot of background that's happening. It's pretty busy. So that's gonna be quite a challenge for post-production, which I want to do this.
Because I really like how I made the tail. I'm planning on making all 9 tails for this KDA Ahri cosplay, so that's what I'm going to be working on for the next few months.
Most cosplayers have this quirk, like they have their own unique quirk. Do you have anything that you'd like to mention?
I really love skincare. A lot. And I love talking about it. I love teaching people about it. So like if you guys have any questions, please message me because like I just want to make you beautiful. Woohoo!
Out of this. She's my boyfriend, guys.
I can see why you gotta bother him off now.
I can see why you love it. This is why you got a wife. That was really great. Okay, go on that. Ready? my KDA cosplay shoot with the lovely ladies, Dinny, Stella, and Yuki. too bad we didn't have a fourth one, but what the hell, it's better than nothing, right? So, hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks guys! I would like to thank Paddle Laundry Lounge for allowing us to shoot. They're so game. Alam nila yung, well, they saw the concept and it's their venue that can actually capture that scene of Ahri sitting inside a laundromat. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys like the video, please leave a like. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I'll try to answer them as best I can, especially kung may tanong kayo or questions. And don't forget to subscribe, please, so we can do more videos like this for you.